Now let's start with the Coolify Air, the lighter and more portable model. Now, what makes it different from a neck fan? It has cooling plates. While a regular fan just blows air, the Coolify Air actually lowers your skin temperature. It's like having a cold can of Coke pressed on your neck. Now, it cools down up to 10 degrees Celsius instantly, wrapping you in 4750 millimeters squared of icy relief. Plus, it has three modes. It has fan, cooling, and heat therapy. Yeah, this thing works in winter too.
And during our test, it was actually going up to 31 degrees Celsius when